Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 desktop background turns black when highlighting. First method is restart Windows Explorer. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Uncheck Remove Background Images where available. Third method is Update Display Adapter. Fourth method is Rollback Driver, if available. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.